Let's face it, there's nothing more frustrating than getting to the airport thinking you're ready for smooth sailing, and then, bam! TSA pulls your bag aside and suddenly your entire trip is off to a nightmare start. Worse yet, the rules have changed again for 2025. What used to be okay might now get you fined, delayed, or even cause you to miss your flight altogether. So if you want to avoid the embarrassment, the fines, and the heartbreak, stick with me. Because today, we're breaking down the TSA's brand new 2025 banned checked bag list. Some of these might seriously surprise you, and trust me, item number 10 just banned could save you time and money on your next trip. Before we reveal these TSA checked bag items banned in 2025, we'd really appreciate it if you could support us with a like and subscribe, and be sure to share your thoughts and travel experiences in the comments section below our video. It helps us to keep making amazing videos just for you, so that you travel smarter and not harder. Let's travel, let's dive straight into the most explosive mistake. TSA's number 1 banned item: fireworks and combustibles. Sure, it sounds obvious, but every year travelers still think a couple of sparklers or novelty poppers are harmless souvenirs. In 2025, TSA's rule is simple: if it can ignite, it can't fly. Firecrackers, smoke bombs, mini rocketry are all completely banned for 2025. Even tiny poppers from a street festival can trigger a full-blown security incident. One confiscated firecracker could delay your flight and ground everyone else's. Don't be that person, leave anything explosive at home. TSA's number 2 banned item: pressurized containers. Do you carry your own whipped cream canister for all your dessert toppings? Or maybe you're a scuba diver and carry your own scuba tank? The TSA sees those items as mini time bombs under pressure. The cargo hold might be pressurized, but those containers can still rupture mid-flight. And when they do, it's not just your suitcase that's ruined. Think of a full-scale safety threat. In 2025, propane tanks, CO2 cartridges, even large aerosol cans like hairspray are a hard no for checked bags. Need it for your hairstyle or for your diving adventure? Buy or rent those items when you arrive at your travel destination. TSA's number 3 banned item: luggage batteries. Smart luggage is amazing until it gets you banned from boarding. If your smart suitcase has a non-removable lithium battery, it's now completely grounded, no exceptions. The TSA isn't messing around with fire risks anymore. Before you even think about packing that tech-savvy bag, double-check that the battery is removable and keep it in your carry-on bag. Otherwise, your smart bag isn't going anywhere, and neither are you. TSA's number 4 banned item: food you think is safe. Fresh seafood, meats, or even gourmet cheeses sound like a great gift idea, until you find out your cargo hold isn't refrigerated. Leaky packages create biohazards. Worst yet, customs fines can be brutal if you accidentally cross borders with banned foods. 2025 TSA's new guidelines are clear. Unless it's vacuum sealed, double bagged, and declared properly, fresh, perishables are out. Save yourself the stink, the fines, and the ruined suitcase. Not to mention a flight delay. TSA's number 5 banned item: power tools. Believe it or not, the TSA says in 2025, it will crack down even harder on tools that could double as weapons. Wrenches and screwdrivers under 7 inches are okay for now. However, chainsaws, massive drills, and heavy hammers are banned items by the TSA for 2025. Those items will bring about an instant bag inspection and possible confiscation. Power tools must be empty of fuel and sheathed properly. But even then, some airlines might refuse them outright. If it's big enough to cause damage, it's big enough to get flagged. Ship it instead. TSA's number 6 banned item: liquids and gels. New rules mean any unidentified liquids, pastes, or gels over a certain volume could be trashed, even if they're inside your checked bag. Souvenir jams, cosmetic creams, local liquors, if they're unmarked, unsealed, or suspicious, might never make it onto the plane. Label everything clearly, or better yet, pack it in your carry-on where you can declare it if needed. TSA's number 7 banned item: fragile high-value items. The TSA doesn't ban these items outright, but 2025 warnings are stronger than ever. Jewelry, laptops, cameras, heirlooms, if you put them in checked baggage, you're playing luggage roulette. Theft and damage rates for checked bags are rising, and the TSA is warning travelers if it's breakable or valuable, carry it on board always. TSA's number 8 banned item: drones with batteries. Your drone is fine to check, However, your drone's batteries are a completely different issue. Drone batteries are an absolute checked bag item banned in 2025. Lithium-ion drone batteries must be carried in your personal item partially discharged and properly protected against short circuits. Otherwise, they could ignite mid-flight, causing your drone dreams to be grounded before your travel destination takeoff even happens. TSA's number 9 banned item: alcohol open bottles. If you're packing alcohol, here's the 2025 rule you need to know. Only unopened bottles under 70% alcohol by volume are allowed. There's a strict limit of 5 liters. Max. Anything higher in proof, totally banned. Anything opened or leaking, banned. Bubble wrap your bottles, seal them, and pray they survive baggage handling. TSA's number 10 banned item: meds check bags. This one's a silent trip ruiner. If you put prescription meds in your check bag and your suitcase gets delayed or lost, you're stranded, maybe even hospitalized. 2025 TSA guidelines strongly urge travelers to pack all essential medications in carry-on bags only. Also, if you're carrying liquids or injectables, bring your prescription and a doctor's note. It could save you serious headaches at security checkpoints. Here are your quick bonus tips that could make or break your trip. For 2025, the TSA has implemented stricter rules for lithium batteries, power banks, and e-cigarettes, vapes in checked baggage. These items, due to their flammable lithium batteries, are now strictly prohibited in checked bags and must be carried in the passenger cabin. Additionally, flammables like fuel, paints, and solvents, as well as fireworks, remain strictly prohibited in checked baggage. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the changes. All of these checked bag items banned in 2025 are well to avoid. A suitcase soaked in any type of alcohol. Be sure to check your destination's rules because some countries have alcohol import restrictions regardless of what the TSA's new 2025 rules are. Now let's talk about something essential and often forgotten: medications. Don't risk it. Be sure that you can check meds. However, if your luggage gets delayed or lost, that's a very dangerous gamble. Keep all of your prescriptions and essential medications in your carry-on bag. Liquid meds over the TSA limit, declare them at security. You're allowed exceptions for medical needs. Be sure to carry a copy of your prescription and a doctor's note, if possible, especially for international travel. Some countries require proof for certain medications. Before we wrap up, here are 3 more quick bonus tips travelers often overlook. Lithium batteries and power banks must go in your carry-on bags, not your checked bags. Always check the watt-hour rating on your lithium batteries, which is usually printed on the device. Anything over 100 watt-hours may require airline approval. This falls under the same rules as batteries. You must carry them on board and check with the local laws of where you are traveling. Some countries ban vapes entirely, and many of these are considered aerosols, which can be dangerous in high heat. Check the label. If it's flammable or under pressure, it likely belongs in your carry-on bag. If not allowed, these checked bag items banned in 2025 should stay home. At the end of the day, packing smart isn't just about saving space, it's about avoiding drama with TSA, which is tightening its rules for 2025. Even innocent-looking items can get flagged, causing delays or derail your entire trip. So double-check before you zip that suitcase shut. Which one of these surprised you the most? Do you have a weird or strange item that you always pack and wonder if it's allowed? Let us know in the comments below. If you want more insider tips like these, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Let's travel smarter, not harder.